So welcome to this very short video. So how to install WireGuard on Windows or to any another operating systems. In this case I will install WireGuard on Windows. So you come on the website, on the official website from WireGuard, wireguard.com/install. You download the application according to your device or operating system. Once you download, open it. You have received, of course, the config file. Import the config file. Once imported, just click activate, and that's it. You are connected. You have a static IP, a German static IP, and here you can see the traffic coming in and out. Activation, it's green. Of course, you see in and out traffic. So thank you for watching that video. Have a great day.